Sawadee krap and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my 5 favorite mods for the RadioMaster Boxer. All the mods for the RadioMaster Boxer are linked down in the description below. Let's start with the most obvious and most underrated upgrade for the RadioMaster Boxer, the battery upgrade. I'm running a 6200 mAh LiPo and this thing is an absolute game changer. Before this I was always checking battery percentage and charging between sessions. Now I charge the radio once and I honestly forget about it. Long FPV days, travel, multiple packs, it just keeps going. Mod number 2 is probably the biggest performance upgrade you can do, the AG01 CNC gimbals. The stock gimbals are fine, but once you try these, there's no going back. They feel insanely smooth, super precise, and the adjustability is on another level. You can dial in the spring tension exactly how you want it. For me, this made a noticeable difference control, especially during slow cinematic flying or precise freestyle maneuvers. They are not cheap, but if you care about stick feeling, this is 100% worth it. Mod number 3 is a small mod, but don't underestimate it. The CNC spacers change the geometry of the controller. The gimbal sits deeper inside the Boxer and makes it way more comfortable to fly. After installing this, the radio just sits better in your hands, especially during longer sessions. In my opinion, the CNC spacer are a must-have for the RadioMaster Boxer. Mod number 4 is the antenna mod, and it's all about practicability. The stock antenna works fine, but depending on how you pack your backpack, it's not always the most durable and convenient option. With this mod, the antenna placement just makes more sense, especially if you're throwing the radio into your backpack. It's a simple upgrade, but for FPV pilots on the move, it's a really solid improvement. If you worry about signal strength with this mod, check out my 10 km flight video. Mod number 5, the grip pads. This is all about comfort and control, especially during long sessions or when your hand gets a bit sweaty. The extra grip makes a real difference. It just gives you more confidence, less slipping, and overall a more locked in feeling. This mod is a total game changer if you travel Southeast Asia. These were the 5 mods for the RadioMaster Boxer, all linked down in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more FPV content. See you in the next one.
It always makes my day. It always makes my day. Gently touch my skin. I let you wink. It always makes my day. It always makes my day. It always makes my day.